bottom, which is where I stay anyways, because most everybody has a 5-second car. But it's all good. It's a lot of fun just going there and being somewhat competitive, which I won't be extremely competitive tonight, because like I said, I want to go to Cars and Coffee before I break the car again. So I'm just gonna go out there and feel it out. I don't know if I'll leave in boost or not, but we go out there and make a few passes and we'll see how it does. So might try and get a little bit more footage outside of the car for this video. I have to see how the night goes, but we'll check back here in just a minute. Boy, is it hot out here. I'm hiding from the sun behind my trunk. So we're gonna have a driver's meeting in about 30 minutes. It's gonna be the first round. Probably do 3 rounds tonight. I think the second round I might try to leave in boost, just a very little. I got the 2-step where it's making like half a pound, maybe 1 pound, enough to make the turbo make some noise when I let off of it. So we'll see how it goes.
First thing first, my gear has some money to give out tonight for the lift. It's for the best reaction time. Whoever has the best reaction time tonight, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm done.
Rob, we're going to exclude Rob.
Can you be a red light? Yeah, that's red light. Just close to the number.
He didn't tell me how much, he just told me he had some money, and he asked me how the fairest way to do it, not give it to the top spot, so we agreed on everybody got a shot at the best reaction time.
The whole night, first round?
Oh, there's a big bunch of reds.
Last time I stood toward the red light.
Right the whole night. He's got 3 chances. First round, Chris has got a bye. Jeff and Shane will race. Tracy and Steve, neither one are here. Ken and Logan will race. Has anybody seen Karen? Karen's out of town, so Karen's out. So, is Chris Tran gonna be here?
No, he's not here tonight.
Wow. Rob, you get a bye. Randy's gonna run Barry.
Uh-oh.
Jay and Greg. Jay and Greg. Greg or Greg?
Greg, see. That means everyone you in the next round? See,
I tell you what, one of us is getting skun up. We can count on that.
62 pounds of dome press.
We'll get through this round and then I'll try to figure out all that. Alright.
No! Shh. Take it back. Alright, first round. See how it goes. I'm just gonna leave like I have been. Not on the 2-step. We'll see what happens. Shit leave, but that's okay. That felt pretty good on the back half. Damn. All right,
Yeah, you might want to.
I know. I think it's safe. I'm just scared. We'll see you, brother. 766 at 98.5. Not bad.
Good?
It felt really good on the back half. I left slow as fuck though.
Yeah, well, that's fine.
But I mean, it was just, I was a 1.860 foot. It wasn't horrible. It's not good, but 766 at 98.
I ain't got wheelies behind me.
Yeah. Hell yeah. No, it wasn't too bad. All right, I'm gonna leave a little harder. We're gonna try leave harder next time. We'll see how it goes. Though it was wheel hopping and a chattering. It's probably a good thing those tires are bald. Damn it, boy, that felt all right. Hopefully that was a bottom 7. I gotta get used to my limiter. I keep banging limiter in a gear. That's not bad though. I mean, that was better than the last pass, hopefully. I left him boost.
39.
739. That's not horrible. A lower mile an hour. That's weird. Is this?
But that's usually the way it works.
I don't understand it. It's so weird. That's a better 60 foot. It wheel hopped a good bit. I don't know if I want to leave in much more boost than that, but we'll see.
I can hear it down here.
Yeah, I know. Even in second gear, it was chattering and shit too. Yeah, I got to figure that out. All this money in the motor, you don't need to worry about suspension, right? We'll see you, brother. Well, that's a PB for the turbo. It wasn't bad. I'm happy with it. Thanks, brother.
I gotta see it.
Huh?
I gotta see it.
What, the slip?
Huh? No, I gotta see it.
Oh, yeah.
I just got it.
It look good?
I have to see. I haven't seen it.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, we got one more tonight. I'm happy with that. It wasn't too bad. All right, one more round. that thing got a little squirrely. That was close. Man, I hope I won. It looked like I came back. I don't know if I did or not, though. The GoPro quit running, so I don't know how much I got it in, but Rob's not gonna let me live this down. That was a good run. Dude, that was so close though. I know.
Coming up, I saw your car, I saw it, and I saw the stripe. I'm like, God.
That was so close. I came up out to Keith, I was like, did I win? Did I win? He was like, oh, no.
Yeah, I saw my little
Damn
bulb,
it.
and I'm like, dude, that was a badass.
That was a good run, dude. That was really good. I was just so, what was your reaction?
Oh, I don't know.
It was, you left really hard. I was just so, mine was a 0.5, which, that's not good. But considering me leaving on two-step, I'm honestly kind of happy with that.
0.03.
0.03. That's,
I don't know. Look at tell me if you can see that.
reaction 0.1285.
Oh.
Yeah. Which that's still not bad.
Yeah.
Well, Rob's officially beat me in both cars now.
It's painful.
Oh, my lens is dirty.
Something's going on there.
Yeah. Well, good run, brother. Recording over there. That's the baby tune. Well, that just happened. Well, it's been a pretty fun night so far. I'd say that was a successful night at the track. Made some pretty good rounds. Didn't break anything's the biggest part. I want to turn it up, but really can't until I figure something out about the tires. I need to do some suspension work too. It's starting to wheel hop a lot, but I left in a little bit of boost and it felt pretty good. I was happy with that. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Later, y'all.